Welcome back to my channel Commerce with Vikas sir. This is my episode 4 on bills of exchange practical problems. Today we are going to learn the journal entries regarding bill discounted with the bank, retained by the drawer and honored at maturity. Okay, bill has been drawn and it is retained till maturity, but during the period of maturity, the bill has been discounted to the bank, but at the end, the bill has been honored by the drawer. See, number one, first we have to make the entry for sales or purchase, then bill drawn and bill accepted, then we have to pass entry for discounted bill. So let's read the question. Mr. X sold goods to Mr. Y for rupees 50,000 on 7/4/23. A bill, draw a bill on the same date after date for 3 months. Okay, the bill is discounted to the banker on 10/5/23, that is after 1 month, at the rate of 5% per annum. On the due date, bill is honored. Pass journal entries in the books of both the parties. Okay. See, let's prepare 3 column. One, the date column. Second, the books of Mr. X, that's the drawer, and books of Y, that is a drawer. See, X is selling goods to Y, so X should pass the entry for goods sold on credit. So when goods are sold on credit, the entry will be debtors to sales. Who is the debtor? Y, to whom the goods are sold. So Y to sales, being goods sold on credit. Okay, but if you see in the books of drawer is the buyer. If X is the seller, then Y is the buyer. Buyer will pass the entry for goods purchased from Mr. X. So his entry will be purchase to creditors. And who is the creditor? Mr. X. So his entry will be purchase account debit to Mr. X account, being goods purchased on credit. Okay. The second entry is regarding the bill discounted. The bill is discounted on 10/5/23 at the rate of 5% per annum. So bill is discounted on 10/5/23. That is 10/5/23. Okay. Sorry. First we pass the entry for goods sold and goods purchased. Second entry is for bill drawn. Okay, on the same date the bill is drawn. So when bill is drawn, the drawer will make the entry of bills receivable to drawer, and drawer will make the entry of drawer to bills payable. So in the books of X, the entry will bills receivable to Mr. Y account, being bill drawn on Y for 3 months, and in the books of Y, you will debit the drawer and credit the bills payable. So you will debit Y account to bills payable account 50,000, being bill drawn by X accepted for 3 months. Okay. Then on 10/5/23, the bill has been discounted. Okay, when bill is discounted, the drawer will make the entry as he has to surrender the bills to the bank. The bill will make payment against the bill, and he has to cancel the bill. So the drawer passed the entry as follows: bank account debit, discount on bills account debit to bills receivable. The drawer is not going to receive the full value of the bill. The banker will charge certain amount as interest, which is known as discount on bills. So our entry will be bank account debit, discount on bills account debit to bills receivable. Okay, bills receivable credited 50,000, but we have to find out the discount on bills, amount of discount on bills. See, it is at the rate of 5%, so 50,000 into 5 by 100. It has been discounted on 10/5 and the date of maturity is 10/7, because the bill has been drawn on 7/4. So 7/4 to 7/7, 3 months, 3 days grace if you add, so it will become 10/7/23. Okay. the maturity date. Okay, so while calculating the amount of the bill, you have to count the period from the date of discount till the date of maturity. So bill will be date of maturity counted from 10/5/23, the date of discount, to the date of maturity 10/7/23, that is 2 months. So 50,000 into 500 gives you annual discount. So if you want to find 2 months, then it should be multiplied by 2 by 12. So altogether you will get 470. It is approximate figure, so you have to write your 417, and out of 550,000, if the bank deduct 417, the drawer account will be credited by 49,583. So this is the entry for bill discounted. So when bill is discounted, the transactions takes place between the drawer and the bank. So drawer is not involved. Therefore, drawer will not pass entry for bill discounting. Okay, the entry for bill discounted will be passed only in the books of the drawer. So on the due date, that is on the 10/7/2023, as the bill has already been discounted, the drawer, that is Mr. Y, will pay the amount directly to the bank, not to Mr. X. So when the discounted bill is honored, the drawer will not pass any entry. So there is no entry in the books of Mr. X when the discounted bill is dishonored. But the drawer has to make the payment. If he make payment to the drawer or to the bank, he will pass the same entry. So when he made the payment, he will cancel the bills payable and he will credit the bank account. The entry will be, when bill is honored, the drawer will pass the entry as bills payable to bank. Okay, bills payable to bank. So bills payable account will be debited by 50,000 and bank account will be credited 50,000, being bill honored at maturity. I hope you have understood this. Please copy the questions, copy the solutions, and try to understand is. Please like and follow my follow my channel. So I also request you to watch my other videos. Being a teacher, I upload videos at the same time. I love social work, so I used to engage myself on social work. So I will be uploading our videos relating to improvement of society. So I request you all to like and follow our channel for educational purpose as well as for social awareness. Thank you.